got choices. I choose to get money, keep placing these ads. Entrepreneurs got choices. Keep it 100 just like the orange hat. Entrepreneurs got choices. I'm tired of the drama, it's all in my head. Entrepreneurs got choices. These haters keep hating, keep throwing me shit, but I'm never upset. No, nothing but respect. And I ain't gotta flex.
Hello, Nikki is here. Welcome and thank you for watching my multiple income funnel review. If you are looking for an honest review or wondering if this is a legit business, yes, it is, and you've come to the right informational channel. Now that we are here, let's talk about what multiple income funnel is. Well, multiple income funnel is an automated marketing system designed to facilitate your online marketing business. The system uses one site generating multiple commissions from 4 income streams, all on 100% autopilot. It was created by one of the top high-earner internet marketer and social influencer entrepreneur named Mac Mills. He specializes in building high-converting funnels that produce leads and sales for his business and other businesses as well. Currently, multiple income funnel is focusing on promoting 4 profitable high-converting tickets income streams. The first income stream is the multiple income funnel affiliate program itself, which gives you the opportunity to generate unlimited commissions. Pretty awesome, haha. The second income stream is Easy One Up, which I am sure some of you already heard of. The third income stream is Traffic Authority, and the fourth income stream is TextBit AI. These 4 income streams are all included in the system for your convenience, and you can easily set them up once you're a member. Honestly, if you're looking for a quick way to start an online business as main or second source of income, I strongly recommend you start with multiple income funnel. The great thing about it is you have 90% of the work done for you, which save you a lot of time and research as a beginner, and you can start earning while learning everything about your new business, which is a plus for me. As a full-time analyst, I get to work on my business with the little amount of time I have left from my 8 to 5, and it's pretty awesome. Now let's take a look at the back office, so I can show you how to quickly get started. So the page you are looking at is the main page you'll see every time you log in into your account. Notice that at the very top of the page, there are about 9 organized different tabs which you can click on based on the information that you are looking for. Down below are the steps you need to follow to get your income stream set up in the system. All you guys have to do is click on each steps, watch the videos, and follow the instructions at the end to get your income stream set up. You also get to set up your e-wallet to receive payment directly into your bank if you prefer. There is also a back office tutorial in which Mac Mills gets you more familiarized with where to find all the resources at the back office. He does an excellent job giving you an easy to follow tutorial and getting you set up, so no worries, it's very simple. That's pretty much all there is to it when you're just getting started. Alright, so for a recap, first you log in into the system, watch the first 4 videos, and follow the instructions to get your income stream set up, and you're pretty much all set to start earning. Easy cake, right? That's it for my quick review. If you are interested in starting your own online business with multiple income funnel, please click my link down below to sign up. Coming up, I will be sharing with you other multiple income funnel reviews from the entire system. I will be reviewing the information contained in each tabs as well as a more detailed review of the income streams contained in the multiple income funnel system. If you guys would also like me to do a specific review or have any recommendations, please feel free to leave your comment down below. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching my multiple income funnel review. I am proud of you and wish you all success.